Hi, in today's video I'll be painting Arcanadia Yukumo from Kotobukiya. So instead of having this video go over the same old painting process again, I figured I'd focus on a specific part of Yukumo, her big fluffy tail. I prepared the tail by filling in the seam lines, including the parts where the color separation is located. I start out with red as my base color. Painting it over a yellow surfacer turns it closer to scarlet, giving it a more fiery feel. Once the base color is in place, I layer over it with orange. It is important to thin it extra so that the gradients go in more naturally without creating a splatter pattern. The goal here is to cover most of the surface with orange, but leave the nooks and crevices with a red shading. The third layer is white. It's important to layer the white over the orange in a way that there are still some orange visible. This gives it a feeling that there is still some orange fur mixed in with the white fur on the tip. If the goal was to just create an orange foxtail, I can end it here, but my goal was to create a fiery impression. To do this, I add a yellow gradient between the orange and white. This helps with hiding the pinkish transition color. I also add a bit of yellow highlights around the orange parts of the tail. Looks quite a bit more fiery now, doesn't it? What's that? Oh yeah, I recently got my voice back. I had to fight a mean octopus lady for it. I've been very obsessed with the Arcanadia model kit line ever since Lumitia was announced. The sculpt quality is top tier and the build experience is fantastic. I also love how different each character is from one another. Because each character is so unique, they barely reuse any of the parts between different characters. As such, you can really tell they don't cut corners on the development cost. Kinda random, but I really enjoy the animated shorts for Arcanadia that Kotobukiya has been releasing, called Yurukana as well. I especially love how Yukumo is often portrayed as a furball spud. She's so adorable. Apparently they're also making a proper anime series based on this model kit line as well. I'm really looking forward to it. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like and subscribe. I'm currently also working on some simple tutorial videos, so please look forward to those as well. Thank you.